On behalf of Fibbrain and Halny Networks, I'm very happy to announce the strategic partnership with Flytec Computers.
Hey guys, Bruno here from Flytec Computers. We got some exciting news to share with you guys. We're announcing a new partnership with Halny Networks, part of the Fibbrain group. They're a brand that does a lot of active devices, and they really stand out for the interoperability and the technical support that they have. They're a team of engineers that have over 15 years of experience with GPON networks, and they're really great at helping out making any kind of design that you might need. So Halny Networks actually stands for High Availability Local Networks. Their main product line is based on PON, or Passive Optical Network products. GPON, XGS PONs, they also do ONTs, as well as some wireless Ethernet routers. Their firmware is really great because they're able to customize whatever you might need for that interoperability with other brands and provide it free of charge. They also do some custom design services and anything you might need of your unique network, they're able to help out.
Flytec Computers Incorporated is a distributor of wireless and wired networking, voice over IP, and fiber equipment. Situated in the Doral community of Miami, Florida, they have access to both the US and Latin American markets and pride themselves on being a global provider. Moreover, Flytec Computers has got more than 16 years of experience in IT sales. We are thrilled that Halny active devices that stand out for the interoperability and the technical support of dedicated engineers with 15 years of experience in GPON networks from now on can meet unique customer needs of an American and Latin markets.
We're really excited about this new partnership that we're going on with Halny, and we look forward to a lot of great work together with them. Thank you guys, see ya.
Flytec Computers, huge thank you for your trust and commitment.